Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So this tutorial is the continuation of how to convert SQL queries into pandas. So from this tutorial I will focus on basic things so that will be easier to understand all those things. So here you can see this is our employees table, and what we want employees count, department and gender wise. Simple tutorial, simple question. So what I can get, select count of employee ID as employee count, department, gender from employees, group by department and gender. Okay, so if I run this, I'll get how much my employee count is based on department, okay, and gender wise. So how to convert this into pandas, let's see. So this is our connection table, connection code. Okay, so after that I want to see the data first. Okay, so I'll write like query, okay, equals to select star from employees. Okay, bracket. Okay, now I want to get the result, so result equals to, I want to create the connection first, right? So pd dot read SQL. So what this function will do, it will read the data from the query. Okay, so query comma connection. Okay, now I will close it, dot close. Okay, now this is for reading the SQL code. Okay, now I want the result, right? So I want to convert it into Python. So how I'll do, I will take like final, okay, equals to result dot, so I need group by, right? So what I'll do group by, I will group by on department and gender. These two columns I need to group by, right? So result, all the data are now available in result, right? So result dot group by which columns I need department and gender. Okay, as index equals to false. So what it will do, as index equals to false, so it will prevent to convert these columns as a index. Okay, if I do not write this, if I do not write as index, what it will do, it will create an index column on the basis of department and gender. Okay, so we will see like department like this as a index, what we do not want. Okay, then so this is the group by. Okay, I am doing group by on department and gender. Now what I need count, right? Count of employee ID. Okay, so this is an aggregation, so I'll write like aggregate function. In this aggregate I need a new column name, so I'll write like employee count, equals to bracket. So on what I need to count? I need to count employee ID, right? So employee ID, and I need to do count, right? So I write like count. Okay, now bracket close, bracket already closed. Now print final. Let's see what happens. So here you can see department wise and gender wise how many employees are available, you can see here. Okay, so if I do not write as index equals to false, what it will do, here you can see 0 1 2 3 4. Now here it will come executive finance like this instead of 0 1 2 3 4. That we did not want, that's why we wrote like this. Okay, so like this we can convert SQL queries into pandas. So that's it from today. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys.